In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a cat icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy workflow that's perfect if you want to add icons to your designs without drawing them from scratch. Using Figma's built-in plugin support, you can search for a ready-made cat icon, place it into your project, and keep your design process fast and efficient. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Figma tips and beginner-friendly design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and go inside the design where you want to add the icon. Once you're on the canvas, look down to the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma gives you quick access to tools, plugins, and helpful design shortcuts. After that, click on Plugins and Widgets. This will open the plugin browser where you can search for different tools and extensions that help speed up your workflow. In the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is a popular plugin that gives you access to thousands of icons, including plenty of cat icon options. Once you see Iconify in the results, run the plugin. When it opens, you'll see a search field inside the plugin window. Type cat into the search bar and press enter. Figma will now show you a collection of cat icons you can choose from. Take a moment to browse the results and find the style that best fits your design. You might see outlined icons, filled icons, minimal shapes, or more playful variations. When you find the one you want, simply drag and drop it directly onto your canvas. You can also resize it, reposition it, and adjust the color if needed so it matches the rest of your layout. And that's it. You've just created a cat icon in Figma using the Iconify plugin. This is one of the fastest ways to add professional icons to your design without wasting time searching all over the web. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.